bongoza nango lwemba ye bilangoto na nango be sandoko zombi nazangi mayele yako sepelisa yo te nalamukia batungwitana na kotisa mbara nabukisa nkilo bafle na maboko manga moko nabaki pungu misato bona yebi olinga.
Hi, Clyde Sharadi here from Africa Media Australia. First of all, I would like to say thank you to all who attended the Victorian African Community Awards on the 25th of October 2014. The VACA night was a successful event. We're really pleased with the outcome. We had about 200 and so attendees and 130 nominations, which marks a significant interest from last year when we received only about 30 to 40 nominations. So we're really pleased with the outcome of this event. Now, the next and last project for this year is the African Australian Person of the Year. This is a special award program for the best of the best in the community. We're putting it together now. Many of you would know that respected media organizations such as the Time magazine in the US have the Person of the Year, and many other organizations around the world use that sort of formula. Here in Australia, Africa Media Australia is one of the leading media organizations when it comes to African communities. So this gives us confidence to organize this nomination. We're not just going to be doing this on our own. We're going to be working together with other media organizations around the community, and this is Australia-wide, not just Victoria, like the VACA program. So we are inviting everyone to nominate people for these special awards. It's not going to be, you book a seat and you get an award like we've seen in some other award programs, although we've never done that here in Africa Media Australia. This is going to be a very serious nomination program. There will be a stringent process. There are 4 main areas of nominations: leadership, business achievements, professional achievement, and outstanding achievement in any area. So we're inviting you to nominate people who you know that are doing great work in the community. For the first time, we're also going to bring a community voting process into these awards. There will be 3 levels of voting. The first one is the nominee level, where we're going to ask every nominee to encourage people who know them to send an email for support, which will count as a vote. And then from the 2nd of January, because the nominations will be open until 31st of December this year, from the 2nd of January 2015, we're going to be shortlisting the candidates, and the community will be invited to vote on these candidates. And then a panel, cross-community panel, will be sitting to also vote on the runner-ups. And so there will be 3 levels of voting, just to show the seriousness of this process, and we want to make sure that there is trust in this type of nominations. Now, we will be putting the details. If you want to nominate people, you go on our website, you click a button called Person of the Year Nominations. We'll give you the links, and you will see that appearing on your screen, and you nominate. We will also ask you to ask the nominees to send details as soon as possible. There will also be an interview for the nominees, just to make sure that we get as much details as possible about the work that is being done. The awards night will happen at the Hilton Hotel in Melbourne. People will be coming from all over the country. And one thing that we need to clarify as well, there are 3 levels of nomination: the national level, state level, and country level. National level is for people whose work and achievement contribute to the progress of the overall African Australian community. State level is obviously for people whose work and achievement apply only on the state that they live in, and country level is the country of origin, because all of us have migrated from a particular country. So this will be like the Nigerian Australian Person of the Year, the Eritrean Australian Person of the Year, the Zimbabwean Australian Person of the Year. And we're inviting you now to look around and nominate people. The awards night will be happening at the Hilton Hotel on the 7th of February 2014. It will be here in Melbourne. People will come from all over the country for the Australian African Person of the Year. All the details will be on our website. If you visit www.africamediaaustralia.com, you click on the Person of the Year button, you will see a form, and it will have all the details about it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us.
bongoza nango lwemba ye bilangoto na nango be sandoko zombi nazangi mayele yako sepelisa yo te nalamukia batungwitana na kotisa mbara nabukisa nkilo bafler na maboko manga moko nabaki pungu misato mpona yebi olingaka banyama lwemba ye zwa pecha koyo nalakisi maloba ya bolingo alobelaka yo na absence nanga